Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to convert pictures to PDF on this device. So without any third party application we can easily convert the picture to PDF in this device. So you can convert a single picture or multiple picture to convert PDF. Okay, so let me show you how to do this one. First of all, open the Photos application. Then tap on the select option on the top right side. Then you can select single or multiple pictures. So simply here I am going to select this one. 3 pictures I select. Now tap on the share button on the bottom left side. Now scroll down. Tap on the print option. Okay. Now again tap on the share button on the top right side. Scroll down, tap on save to files. So here we can enter the name. And after that tap on save on the top right side. Now directly go to your file application. Go to the recent. You can see at the bottom tab you can see the option recent. You can see, right? Now you can see the PDF that we created. You can see. Same like way I create this one also. This one also. So simply in this way we can convert the pictures to PDF on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.